Welcome to today's session. In this session, we are just connecting different VLANs. If you have one router, then you can connect different VLANs without without the need for configuring any protocol between the routers because we only have one router in here. And today, I want to show you how you can connect these VLANs or how these VLANs can communicate over the internet. And this type of connecting VLANs is router on a stick. So let's go together to see how it works and how we can do that. The first thing, you can just come to this one into the switch and configure terminal. Give it a host name if you want. If you want, I want to say switch 1. Switch 1 is a take. Then you can separately or go one by one to create first your VLAN, then give it a name, then make it part of that and make that port part of the VLAN that you want. Or instead, you can do like this as well. I want to go for this interface fast03 first. Interface fast internet 0-3. I'm going to say that switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN. This is for VLAN 10. I'm going to say this is VLAN 10. And exit. For the next one, which is 0-2. For this one, I'm going to say that switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, exit, and interface fast. For this one, fast 0-1, switch port mode trunk, because it's a layer 2 switch, I can just say switch port mode trunk. For layer 3 is different. Exit. Come for this switch this time. Or just go and just finish one side, then I'll go to another side. No, enable configure terminal. Configure terminal. I'm gonna go to this gig 0-2. Allow me to turn that one. This one gig 0-0. No shutdown. It's up, and this time interface gig 0-2. And say no shutdown. And exit. The purpose is just in this ports of the switch, in this port, I just say it's trunk, change the mode into trunk, but for the router you can say by changing into the trunk instead, you have sub interfaces, and you can, from this interface, you can have as many sub interfaces as you have. Like you have 10 VLANs, and you can make 10 sub interfaces. Like how, but like this interface gig 0-2, instead of trunk I would say dot. This was VLAN 10 for VLAN 10 encapsulation in interface gig 0-2 dot 10 encapsulation dot iq 10 Now shut down and give it an IP 192.168.10.1 Now shut and exit. Subinterface I have created for this one, and let's go for create for VLAN 20 and say gig 0-2.20 this time. Encapsulation.iq add 20. Now shut down. Then give an IP for that one is 192.168.20.1 255.255.255.0. No shut. No shut and exit. Let's see this part. There is connection or no? I want to see the connection between VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So let's give an IP from the range of 192.168.10.5, and the subnet we have is 192.168. The gateway is 192.168.10.1 for this PC from VLAN 20. I want to give an IP of 192.168.20.5, and the gateway for this 192.168.20.1. Let's see if they can ping 192.168.10.1. It was the default that we assigned for the router. And let's ping the PC IP 192.168.10.5. It will ping. Just wait a sec. Yeah, it's pinging. In this side, it's activated. We will do the same thing for this one. We go to this one. Configure terminal. Interface fast02, fast-2, fast02 or fast-2. I want to say that switch port mode is access, switch port access, VLAN, that was 20, this is 30, exit, and interface fast0-3, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 40, exit, and interface fast0-1, switch port mode trunk, exit. Come to the router again to create sub interfaces for that one as well. Configure terminal, interface gig 0-1, no shutdown, and exit, and interface gig 0-1.30, encapsulation.iq 30, no shutdown. IP address of this is 192.168.30.1 255.255.255.0, exit, and interface gig 0-1.40, encapsulation.iq is 40, no shutdown. Give it an IP of 192.168.40.1 255.255.255.0, no shutdown, exit, and let's go to see, give it an IP for this one. It was 192.168.30.5. The gateway is 192.168.30.1. For this one, 192.168.40.5, 192.168.40.1. Let's ping the gateway of 192.168.10.1. That was gateway for this VLAN 10, and this time directly going to this passage for pinging this one. Ping 192.168.10.5 is that 10.5. This was the IP that's pinging. All right, and from this one we want to ping this one. Let's try this one as well. Ping 192.168.30.1. Ping 192.168.40.5. And this is how you can connect different VLANs and creating different sub interfaces. This is only if you have one router, but if you want to have more routers, then you need to configure routing protocols between your routers to get the connection. Thank you for watching, and please like and comment if you learned anything from this video. Thank you.